Britain's Supreme Court has ruled that Prime Minister Theresa May will have to get the Brexit bill approved by the Parliament. The ruling by the 11 justices of the Supreme Court has come in as a blow to the government's claim that it could pass the bill without a vote in Parliament. Now, pro-Brexit voices in the UK have been getting impatient, and parliamentary nod would mean that the process could slow down. Earlier, my colleague Aisha Sindhu spoke to WION's UK Bureau Chief Mandy Clark. Listen in.
Well, this is a big blow to Theresa May's government. She really wanted to trigger Article 50 without having to go through Parliament, so she could put forth her own agenda for Brexit and decide when it will be triggered and how it will be triggered. Now the Supreme Court has come back with a ruling of 8-3. There's 11 Supreme Court justices, and by far the majority say she can't do it. She has to go through Parliament. Now, although the Parliament is made up of largely her party, the Conservatives, the Brexit vote really split the whole country, and lots of Conservatives are still pro-EU. Now, the worry was that some parliamentarians, especially on the opposite side, the Labour side, are going to use this excuse to try and stop the government from triggering Article 50. That's probably unlikely because the Labour government, the opposition, the Labour leader, the opposition, Jeremy Corbyn, has said he's going to tell them to go ahead and allow it to be triggered. But what it is going to force it to do is that when it's triggered, all the elements of Brexit will have to be discussed in open Parliament. This can't just be a unilateral action that the government, the Conservatives, can just take on their own. So it's a blow for Theresa May, but many will say that it's important that all of the UK had their say, because the members of Parliament represent the people. And so since Britain is making this monumental decision, many will see that this is an important step that everyone's view is reflected.